Hey miners, Mining King here. Today we're going to take a look at some packages I received in the mail, and right now I just got a couple more monitors for my studio setup, so it's a complete disaster zone right now. I'm redoing my whole setup, so I figured that we could just open these right here in the farm. Now, this was a trade I did with Mr. Chili, and it's for a 6600 XT. This is a mystery box that I'll share with you in just a little bit. This is from Mr. Red Panda Mining, and this looks kind of like familiar to me. I like all the duct tape. This is how I do my packaging right here. So love the duct tape, man. And then this I just got today from Gearz. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, let me open these. I'm gonna do a Red Panda snap finger here. Let me open these real quick. All right guys, I'm back. I got everything unboxed. So, all this side over here, this is all from Red Panda Mining. We did a trade again. And let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think about this trade. So originally, it was supposed to be for these 5 red devils, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I traded him another 3070 Founders Edition for 5 RX 580 8 gig red devils. But he actually sent me more than that. He also sent me this, this is from RevTech. I have seen these online, but I have never played with them. So this connects, you know, so there's an HDMI out, but as you see, there is no slot for this card. So it only connects through this right here, this USB port, and then it has 2 6-pins, it looks like, to power it. So I'm curious to see the power draw and how that functions. I'll be doing testing on that. There'll be a video out for that. Now he also sent me, and Panda Man, you are way too generous, dude. You gave me way more than what we initially were making a deal on, and man, I'm really appreciative of that, dude. Thank you so much for hooking me up. He also gave me another. Now I have a RevTech board, but I have version 1. This is the second version, which is good with NVIDIA cards. So I will be doing some content on this as well. Now, this is a 6600 XT. I obviously just ran out of room here. I traded this. I was supposed to trade it to Chili, but I talked too badly about my helium miner, so I ended up paying for it. I paid $325 for it. So let me know down in the comments down below if you think that was a good deal, and let me know about Panda's deal. If you think I got 6 pretty much 588 gigs for 1 3070. So let me know your guys' thoughts if you guys think that's a good deal. Now these I actually purchased from Gearz, and this is my first time using Gearz, and so these are classified as B grade, and you can see that they are, I mean, they're dirty. They've been mined on for sure. So I will be doing a video on this. I will be taking them apart. I'll probably take one apart, and then that way I can maybe order some pads for these and stuff like that. So there'll be a video for this in the future as well. Now we also have this, and this is a little mystery box I'm going to share with you guys. So let's open it up. I'll take this out, and what? This is the Octo box, and this is from Octominer. Chili was nice enough to send this out to me. Thank you very much, Chili. Really appreciate it. And let's check out some of the things that we have in this Octo box. We have, man, these coasters are amazing. I mean, dude, that is really, really nice, Chili. And then you also have a nice holographic Octominer sticker. And I believe that this is a magnet, right? At least I hope so. Let's go see. Yeah, it's a magnet. It is a magnet. There you go, Chili. And then we have a, oh, we even get a Octominer pen. Man, that is really cool. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. And thank you, Chili, for the Octobox, man. Really appreciate that. Thank you, Panda, for the trade. As always, man, it's always fun doing trades with you. And yeah, guys, and thank you, Chili, for hooking me up with this 6600 XT. Really appreciate it. Alright, guys, I figured I'd just do a little unboxing video with you guys. So, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.